Hello everyone, my name is Brian, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to be good with your money. A lot of people struggle with their finances because they don't have a solid foundation to work from. That is why I have put together these 7 essential rules of money that everyone should follow. So whether you're just starting out or you've been struggling for years, these tips will help you get on the right track. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button real quick and let's get started. The first rule is to live within your means. The most important rule of money is to live within your means. This means spending only what you can afford and trying not to take on debt if possible. Make sure that your income is greater than your expenses and create a budget and stick to it by managing the amount of money you are able to spend each month. When shopping or making a purchase, it is important to ensure that it fits into your budget plan. One way to do this is to make sure that you have enough money saved in your bank account to cover the cost to the item. You should also consider the long-term financial effects of any big purchases, such as how much extra you will need to save each month if you are taking out a loan. The second rule on our list is to save money regularly. Setting up a regular savings plan is one of the most important steps to becoming good with your money. Start by creating an emergency fund, which will give you a buffer in case something unexpected happens. Aim to save at least 10% of your income each month and make sure you put it into a separate account with a good interest rate. This will help grow your savings over time so that when you do need to use it for an emergency, you will have the funds available. You can also look into investing in mutual funds or other long-term investment if you want to maximize your returns on savings. Make sure to do your research and talk to a financial advisor before making any big moves with your money. It is also important to have an emergency fund in case of unexpected expenses or losses of income due to job loss or illness. Saving 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in addition to any long-term saving goals you may have, such as retirement funds or college savings account for children. The third rule is to invest wisely. Before investing in anything, do your research and ensure that it is the right decision both financially and personally. Investing can be a great way to build wealth over time, but you must consider a risk tolerance and time horizon when evaluating investments so that you can determine whether they are appropriate for you. Explore different investments such as stocks and bonds and determine which are best for you. Investing can be a great way to diversify your financial portfolio and ultimately create more wealth over time. Rule number 4 is to be financially responsible. Responsible financial management is the key to being good with money. Create a budget and stick to it so that you know where your money is going each month. Pay all your bills on time and stay out of credit card debt if possible. Monitor your bank accounts regularly for any fraudulent activity or unexpected charges, as this can quickly add up over time. Create a spending plan and save up for larger purchases such as vacations or home renovation instead of relying on credit cards. In at number 5 is the rule of spending less than you earn. In order to achieve financial security, it is important to spend less than what you earn by creating a budget plan where all expenses fit into an overall cost structure that does not include total earnings, including income from other sources. This can be achieved through cutting back on unnecessary costs like eating out or traveling too much. On top of this, you must learn how to prioritize, take advantage of discounts when purchasing products and services, set money aside for emergencies, utilize cashback reward programs whenever possible, use credit cards responsibly, and avoid taking out high-interest loans if at all possible. In at number 6, we have the rule of getting educated about finances. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance topics such as budgeting, investment, taxes, etc., so that you can be better equipped with the knowledge needed in order to make wise financial decisions now and in the future. To become good with your money, it is important to educate yourself about personal finance topics such as budgeting, investment, taxes, and more. Using online resources such as books and podcasts can be a great way to learn about different aspects of financial literacy. There are also numerous seminars and workshops hosted by professional organizations that provide in-depth knowledge about the subject. The final rule on our list is to avoid impulse spending. Impulse spending is one of the biggest threats against achieving financial success. Try avoiding stores unless absolutely necessary, since this reduces temptation along with other activities such as window shopping, which can often lead one down to a path towards impulse buying things they don't actually need with money they don't have. Wait 24 hours after seeing something before deciding whether or not it is actually worth buying, so that logical thinking has more opportunity to kick in rather than acting emotionally upon the initial sight of something shiny and new. So following these 7 rules of money can help you become better with your money and create a brighter financial future for yourself. By creating a budget, saving regularly, investing wisely, being financially responsible, spending less than what you earn, getting educated about finances, and avoiding impulsive spending, you can be well on your way to achieve the financial security and freedom you deserve. If you made it until the end, make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also go the extra mile of ringing that notification bell and you will be blessed with amazing, inspiring and educational contents just like this one. Good luck and thank you for watching.